I'm Tony over at Homeowner Repair. So in this video I'm going to show you how to check the oil level in your Jeep YJ. The one behind me happens to be an 89. It has the 4.2 in it. So if you recently picked one up, you don't know a whole lot about it, you're trying to get familiar with it, I got a lot of great videos on these Jeeps that hopefully will help you out. It's not hard to do, but I'll show you, how to properly check it. So before I roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helped me out a ton. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. When you ring the bell, you'll get all of the latest uploads. It'll give you a notification. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And let's get rolling on this thing. If you just shut the Jeep off, you hopped out and you want to check the oil real quick, there still may be some oil up inside the motor. So like I said, give it a couple of minutes for it to find its way all the way to the bottom of the pan. Give it like 5-10 minutes. Then go outside and check your oil level. So you're going to want to go around and undo the hood latches on both sides. You should pull up, swing them out, and you should also have a catch in the middle. What this latch does right here is it helps to prevent the hood from flying up and hitting the windshield. If that's not there, you're going to want to put one on. And the dipstick is on the passenger side of the Jeep. If you have the 4.2, this is where it should be. So get yourself a clean rag and pull out the dipstick. Wipe off motor oil that's on it. Make sure it's nice and clean. And slide it back in. Make sure it bottoms out all the way. And pull it back out. And I'll show you what to look for. So right there, you'll see a couple marks. There's a full mark and an add mark. So you want to be more towards the full mark. I just did an oil change on this. I have an oil change video as well that I'll put in the description of this video. So if you have to change your oil, you can see how to do it. If you're more towards the add mark on the bottom, you may want to add a little bit. Add like a little bit at a time. You'll check it till you get it right up to above where the full mark should be. And once you check it, wipe the dipstick off. Take another reading once you've added some oil in. So it's clean, you pull it back out. And then, check your reading again. And once you're up close to full mark, you should be good to go. So on the 4.2 straight 6, if you have to add a little oil, the oil filter cap is right here. You just should twist out of place. And you can get a funnel, put a funnel in it. Add a little oil, check the reading, like I just showed you how to. And then, when you're in here, it's a good time to inspect your belts, make sure the belts aren't cracked. These are brand new, so they're fine. The brake fluid, if you need to check the brake fluid, it's right here. Usually you can get like a screwdriver under there, pry the latch over, and you can check your fluid level. The coolant on my YJ is right here, the radiator overflow coolant bottle. The wiper fluid is here for the windshield, make sure that's got fluid in it. And your power steering is right here, so it's a good time when you're doing all this to take the cap off the power steering. Fluid is the reservoir. There's a dipstick in there as well. You can check the fluid. So all kind of things to keep an eye on while you're checking the oil level, and make sure that all the other fluids are up to snuff under the motor. So I hope this helped you out. If you own one of these Jeeps, if you own a YJ, and you have any tips for our viewers, definitely hop in the comments section, post them. We love having you guys hang out on the channel. I always interact with you guys out there, and it's kind of fun hanging out. So, like I said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and leave a question or a comment if you have one. Thanks for watching, guys.